Hey guys, it is me. This is my new channel. Just barely made it last night. And, well, I wanted to show you guys some slow rising squishies I just barely made. Just got out of the shower, so that's why my hair is wet and I haven't brushed it yet. So, here's one. For some reason, after they dry, they're not so slow rising. Here's one. Here's another one. So, yeah, what I made them out of is you get makeup pads. You take as many as you want, and then you cut them out to a shape you'd like. And you get some soap and mix it all up, like squeeze it around with the soap, and then put it in the water and squish it, and then it will be slow rising. And try to get all the soap out. Sometimes, if it's a like very liquidy soap, it doesn't work as well. If it's hardish soap, like not very liquidy, that soap makes it extremely slow rising. So I hope you guys like my videos. Please subscribe.